Bati muna tayo. Marami palang nanonood sa atin. Yung Makalalad family, si Ed, si Sol, si Joy, si Joan, si Jasmine, si Jared, si Jana. Puro J.
Oo nga eh.
At yung Tri-Gear Triathlon team. Alam mo, apart from triathlon, ito daw ang paboritong sport. Lalo na ni Sol Makalalad. Thanks guys for
Thank you,
watching.
hello.
So set 3. Medyo lumalalim na, no? Itong, or lumilit yung window of opportunity para sa photo Toplanders. Pero sabi nga ni Coach Villet, hindi pa naman tapos eh.
Yeah. I mean, how many times have we seen teams na came from, being 2 sets down at sila pa yung nanalo?
Mitch, may ikukwento ka daw sa amin dito ni Denise. Ano yun?
Mga Toplanders ay hindi sila naglalaro. They don't know if their teammate has their back. Mas gusto pang araw ni Coach na nagre-reklamo yung teammate niya na hindi siya sinisetan kesa sa hindi sila nag-uusap at all. Lastly, sabi nga ni Acevedo, konting confidence and aggressiveness naman guys. Balik sa inyo.
Wow, ang ganda nung report ni Mitch. Paano mo nga naman pala lalabanan mo kawala ng kumpiyansa. And napansin ni Coach Villet yan, you guys are not talking.
Yeah, I mean, first set pa lang, yan naman na yung observation ni Coach Villet. And tama yung word na ginamit doon na aggressiveness is really what they don't have or really what they're not showing inside that court. Kailangan kung gigil kang manalo, tawagin mo yung setter mo. I mean, magreklamo ka. If you're the libero and you're doing a great job and no one's getting that second ball, no one's attacking properly, call them out. Sabihin mo, gumalaw sila dahil ikaw, nagtatrabaho ka sa loob.
Gusto nga ng mga coaches minsan na nag-aaway kayo sa loob eh. Dahil ibig sabihin, meron kayong malasakit sa isa't isa. But
Yeah.
if there's an awful amount of silence, bothersome yan, ha? 3-2 signal. Abante ng isa, Janet Panaga. Good numbers so far sa larong ito. At alas pang binitawan.
Yeah. The flight of that ball pa lang, alam mo na, it was gonna be an ace.
4-2. Pabulso signal. Panaga pa rin magsaserve. Parang pinag-ahanda dito ni Janet tuwing tutungtong siya sa service area na yan. HD Spikers. Cheng will set up Navarro. Buhay pa rin ang bola. Signal will try once more. Laborte, not wasting any time there. Di makulangan. Quick one to the captain. Photon on the attack. Great net defense by Navarro and Laborte. At walang nagawa si Dawson doon.
Well, at that time, lahat sila nakakumpol talaga. All of them were in front of the attack line already. At hindi pwedeng ganun pag nagko-coverage ka dahil meron talagang malakas na balik ang bola.
5-2, signal up by 3. It's an ace by Panaga. And Acevedo quickly apologizing to Coach Villet. 8 attacks, 4 blocks, 4 aces. Great numbers by Janet Panaga. 6-2, apat ang kanilang abante. Muntik na naman mag-ace doon si Panaga. Free ball. Combination play, man dapat. Not the best approach.
Yeah.
Okay pa rin.
But still, maganda yung basa niya. Dawson was a bit late and knowing that there was no coverage behind Sam Dawson. Talagang easy point for her regardless if she went for the hard hit or again with that tip.
It appears na parang may bakal na itong mga paa ng Photon Toplanders. They're dragging it. And it's easier said than done na galingan nyo, humabol kayo. Kita na nila, they're down by 2 sets. They're down by 5 in the 3rd set. But the onus really, it's on the players.
It's just that no one's really communicating.
8-2. Signal pong may kalamangan. We head to the first technical timeout of set number 3. We'll be right back.
Yeah, everybody for sure is happy. Nanonood sila ng Philippine Superliga.
At happy ang pamilya ko. Nanonood din yun.
Hi, hello.
Si Sito, si Jaime, si Nana. At ang nanay ko, itong asawa ko, mga anak na.
Hi guys, congratulations.
April 4, third boy, si Pedro Alejandro, coming out soon.
Nice, ha? Pedro.
Thank you. 8-3. Photon Toplanders, they have to climb out of this hole. Laborte, left hand. Di makulangan. Ganda pa rin ng net defense, pinapakita ng signal. Chance for the HD Spikers to score. Navarro, ibaba ko yung lakas nun.
Yeah, saka masyado siyang nakailalim. Definitely, alam mo, palabas talaga yung flight ng bola ni Navarro.
For serving 8, it's Dana Henson serving for Photon. Set number 3 action na po tayo. Live tayo ngayon sa Action TV at sa Sportsline.ph live streaming. And that's an ace by Henson. Kanina po dun sa mga nagtatanong kung ano nangyari sa first game, nanalo po ang Petron kontra RC Cola in 5 sets. Mahigit 2 oras na laro.
I think mga 2.5 or 2:45.
Almost.
Yeah.
Pati tayo sa may prodrom kanina, talo na tayo ng tatay. Sapagkat hindi mo lang kung anong pupunta yung game. 9-5, signal up by 4. Coach Villet still not giving up. Giving marching orders mula sa gilid. Paano ba naman yan, Denise? Hindi na gano'ng kaganda yung serve, tumama sa net. Pumasok pa rin.
The thing is, na masyado nga silang napapako ay katulad ng sabi mo kanina, we saw Sam Dawson, niluhuran niya yung palong yun. Kanina, Coach Villet was saying, ano ba, hindi naman ganun kalakas yung mga service but you're still not able to get it.
10-5, signal up by 5 points. Photon, soft touch there. Berte, great dive at the net. Nasa net pa rin. And Laborde will get that point.
Yeah, because Reyes had went over the net. She's a backliner.
Illegal yun.
Oo, she also has to be careful when she's trying to save the ball.
So lumalayo muli dito ang Signal HD Spikers. They're up 11-5. Navarro with the serve there. Di Makulangan setting up. Dawson, great hit off the deflection. He'll get that point. And Samantha Dawson will be serving for Photon. 6 serving 11. Here is set number 3. Bola nasa may side ng Signal. Berte will go to the back. Di Makulangan will set up parry. Cheng will go to Berte. Uulit muli dito ang Photon. Orendain muli. Balik naman sa Signal. Sa likod si Mendapat. Rhea. Quick one to Araneta. And the captain says, tama na muna. Akin na yan.
Well, as long as you have your captain in front, at alam mong nanggigigil siya and she wants to get those points, she wants to get a win, bigay mo na bigay sa kanya.
One more look. Di Makulangan to Araneta. Ultra Fast Spike brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. 11-7. Signal up by 4. Palo ni Mandapat. Will give Signal their 12th point. So sumasagot dito ang Photon. Ang problema, pinasasagot nila pabalik ang Signal. They can't keep on exchanging points here. Photon, back set. Ball is still alive. Patty going to the back, and that's good.
And again, targeting the area where Jack Janela is, but unfortunately, Jack Janela, again, not stabilized yet, still moving, and Patty was already hitting the ball.
Ultra Fast Spike by Orendain, brought to you by PLDT Home Ultra, the Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Subok muli ang Photon. Orendain muli. Same spot, pero Navarro read that one. Free ball, Dawson. Orendain. Great day coming from Junella. Navarro going to the back. Back set here. Ortiz will score.
So Ortiz, she went for that softer hit. Of course, knowing na pag tumama lang sa block ng mas mahina, may chance na mas malapit lang din sa likod ng blockers, mabagsak yung bola and nobody was there really.
At may iba yung approach ng depensa, lalo na pag alas para kay Kapitan. Mahabol na dito ang Photon top landers. They're looking good here. Coach Shami, wala pang worried look. No expression lang sa kanyang mukha. Berte, wanting to fool the defense, but it backfired.
She was si Berte or si Jonella or si Cheng at si whoever talagang tinitigan lang bumagsak yung bola. It was a petty mistake committed by Signal.
Tama kang ganda ng observation mo. Hits, I mean, no offense to Photon.
Yeah.
Yung hits nila, kung hinahabolan talaga ng Signal, these are hits that they could easily catch
Yes.
or get. Sabi ni Cheng, sige, ayaw niyo pumalo ako sa score. And she's doing well.
She is, she is. Alam mo, nung nag-best player siya last Tuesday, sabi nga, she was so happy kasi she was given a chance again after niya magkasakit. Nagkasakit kasi siya and she didn't play for the first few games. Kaya gusto niya talagang nakakabawi siya ngayon.
Gusto ko makita sila ni Cabriana, ni Shaira. Pag ginagawa nila yung ganung move. Yung nag-ulit sila. Akala mo isa-set, sabay dadalhin na sa kabila.
Yeah.
It's rare kasi that you see the setter scoring.
Yeah.
14-11, namang pa rin dito ang signal na mukhang nagising sila. Umakyat ng ilang decibel yung boses ni Coach Shannon. At naalog itong mga HD Spikers.
Medyo nagising.
14-11, signal up by 3. Panaga will score, giving signal a 4-point lead.
Yeah, the difference between, I just want to point out, the difference between Panaga's last tip over what Ortiz did, yung speed. Ito si Ortiz, she went for the tip, she was trying to, sinusubukan niyang utakan yung blockers, pero masyado mabagal yung bola niya.
Photon gets a point there. They're down by 3. Ating Rendain will be serving now. Look at the score, 15-12. 3 points lang yan. Pero di ba pag tumungtong ng 20, yung kalaban mo, parang ibang senaryo yan.
Oo, kaya nga ito si Coach Sammy ayaw niya nang padikitin itong Photon because if they reach that 20-point mark at ganito lang din kaliit ang lamang nila, dedelikado pa sila dito sa third set.
At sa puntong ito, I think Photon will start playing relax because nothing to lose on their end. Panaga, 16-12, giving signal a 4-point lead. Second technical timeout. We'll be right back.
Itong si Janelle Cheng, ang laki din ng talaga ng contribution dito sa team nila.
How about J and the DJ? Si Janelle Cheng.
DJ JJ.
Pwede.
Ipilit natin.
16-12. Rally continues. Navarro to the back. Dawson was there. Di makulangan. Will go to Henson. Oh, smart move there by Cheng. Look at that communication without talking dito kay Panaga. Parang kilay lang yung ginindat niya doon. Alam na ni Janet yung gagalaw niya.
Well, again, kasi nga, tagal na rin nilang naglaro with each other. So, alam na rin nila kumbaga katinginan lang. Yun nga, hindi pa nga nagkatinginan eh. Hinabol pa rin ni Cheng yung bola sa kami ni Panaga.
Kumpiyansa si Janet na regardless of the height, Janet will do something about it. Great hit coming from Navarro. Berte will serve. That's a service error. 19-13. I would call this the last push here, at least in set 3 by the Toplanders. 13 serving 19. Atake ngayon ng signal. Navarro gagawa ng paraan yun. Muntik pa maka-score doon. Dawson. Meantime, Cheng will go to Navarro. Di makulangan. Going to Henson. And buhay pa ang bola. However, hindi na pumasok. Pero iba effort ni Cheng Janela doon.
I mean, I like the effort not only from Janela, pero yung tatlong kumuha ng bolang yun. Talagang sundut-sundutan na lang just to keep the ball alive.
Basta importante, di pa tumatama sa sahig yan. At wala pang pang-apat na touch.
Hanggang walang pito ng referee.
Bira lang.
Just keep on playing.
Pero ito may pitong referee. At that point, we'll go to signal. Tumungtong na sila sa 20th point. 5 points away from winning this via straight sets. Si Coach Villet, napangiti na lang doon. And then, alam mo yung ginagawa ni Coach Villet, every time out, that's what I like about her. Still coaching.
Yes.
Not giving up on her task because alam niya na marami pa rin maituturo sa mga manlalaro niya.
At saka it's really still possible. They're down by what? They're down by 7 points, down by 2 sets. But again, we've seen this happen a lot of times na.
Crazier things have happened. Back set. Balik sa Photon. Dawson with a soft one there. Ganda ng basa ni Chonela. Boy pa rin ang bola. It will go back to Signal. That's right.
Nice
Di na inabot ni Cheng yan.
That was a really nice fake by Janelle Cheng. That's really what the setters do, no? Pag alam na nila na mag-over pero medyo dikit sa net, what they wanna do is try and, kunyari mag-a-attempt sila mag-jump para yung blocker ay nakafocus sa kanila and not on
Yes.
the ball.
So that point will go to Jack. Tama. Walang
Well,
nakahawak eh.
yeah, oo.
Technically speaking. Di ba?
Yes.
Dahil walang
Dahil,
humawak na
oo,
iba.
dahil bola niya.
22-14. Kaya pala sayaw ng sayaw ng si Jack Junel. So when I asked her about her height, she told me, sabi niya, kahit anong gawin ko, hindi na nag-aangat eh. When I asked her, ba't minsan iba yung style ng sapatos mo? Dahil daw, pag kumukuha sila ng sapatos,
Oo.
nawawala ng size sa kanya.
Oh,
So,
okay.
They're forced to get from another design. And a good chat. Mandapat scoring, they're 2 points away from closing the whole game. 23-15. Janet Naga will be serving for Signal. They're up by 8 points. And I like how Janet prepares for her service. Regardless of the score, talagang uubusin niya yung 8 segundos dyan.
Yeah, of course, of course. I mean, you'd want to get those last 2 points easier, di ba? So, kung kaya mo naman kunin from the service line, then why not? Huwag mo na pahirapan yung teammates mo.
And that's a good habit. Na nanamnamin mo yung
Yes.
yung oras sa binibigay sa'yo. And minsan kasi, di ba, pag sinasagad mo yun, nagkakaroon ng uneasiness
Oo, kasi parang ano ba?
on the
surf ka
defensive
na.
side. Ay, biray mo na yan. 23-17.
Too low. That was too low for Llagoso.
And that point will go to Photon. 23-18. Hindi pwede ditong mag-relax ang
Definitely.
ang Signal because pag nahiri sila dito, pagsasamantalahan ng top landers yan. 18 serving 23. Cheng will try Llagoso once more. This time around, she made sure.
Yeah, and I like how Cheng went back to Llagoso even though this is a crucial part of the match or the set rather. Dahil syempre gusto mo makabawi itong attacker mo.
Ultra fast spike by Llagoso brought to you by PLDT Terra. The Ultra fast LT for a happy family. Match point here. Ang gagawin dito ng Photon. Will they stay alive? Patty to the back. Cheng, Llagoso. Siya ang tatapos.
I like it. Llagoso came off the bench, did what she had to do, and actually won the set for Signal.
And credit goes to Janelle Cheng making sure na kahit yung mga fresh off the bench,
Yes.
mag-e-enjoy sa larong ito. And straight set. So ibig sabihin, naka 3 points dito. Nakakuha ng 3 points ang Signal HD Spikers. 25-20, 25-18, 25-18.